one that takes us up to the top. You know how steep it is right there? I don't know. In the rain? Well, we can try it.
Two-wheel drive is the only one I'm worried about.
I didn't know we had any two-wheel drive. Well, that
was a two-wheel drive right there.
That's awful darn steep for them little four-wheelers. Should have went around the other, you know, the other way up.
Yeah, in the wrong gear?
I don't know. Did you see that tree down yonder? That some sucker fell and twisted. There's mushrooms just sprouted up all over the place. This way, or you think about going that way? Let me check on everybody. Eric needed to go around that other way and stick him up over that hump. I was afraid for them little four-wheelers. We're making sure everybody made it.
Oh yeah, you gotta
No, we don't. I didn't even think about it. Well, I should have got one, or I would have told you. Or I would have told you to go the other way and show them how to come around that obstacle. Up that hill or up that? Slick. Yeah, I'm surprised. We have got a lot of trees. And Eric don't have a machete on his machine. I always have a machete on mine and a chainsaw, and we've already found 2 new trees down that wasn't down when we cleared the trails 3 days ago after last week's storm. I told Eric I was like, yes. I told Eric he's choosing the path. He's starting y'all off on the rough stuff. Y'all be thankful to get to the easy stuff.
I don't really think this is too rough.
He might should have warmed people up a little bit though. I'm worried about the little two-wheel drives though.
Yeah.
Y'all doing okay? I told him, I was like, we got a two-wheel drive back there. One of these, is it one or both of them? They're both two-wheel drives. Okay. He thought only one of them was. And they're like, oh man, we got to decide now whether to go this way or that way. I think we're going to go that way, surely. And what? You never noticed that before.
Frick no. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, because you remember what that's like. No, you ain't been here, have you? That's a funky looking tree. That needs to be cut out. Yeah. Yeah, your sign. Yeah, I still see him way over there. Huh?